Hi guys, welcome back to Trish Kitchen. As summer vacations are starting, in most of the places I thought of making some fun recipes for kids like me. Today our recipe is how to make chocolate milkshake. So let's not waste our time and have some fun. First of all, we need cocoa powder, chilled milk and sugar. Pour all the ingredients in a mixie jar and blend till smooth. Add milk. Add cocoa powder. Here I am using 3 to 4 spoons of cocoa powder. Add sugar. Blend till smooth. Now we want some chocolate syrup. Drizzle some chocolate syrup at the side of the glass. This is an optional step. You can skip it if you want. Look how cool it's looking now. Now our glass is ready. Pour a milkshake in the glass. Then add a scoop of chocolate ice cream. Without ice cream also the chocolate milk taste is nice. As I have chocolate chips chocolate ice cream, so I'm not adding chocolate chips. You can add chocolate chips if you want. You can also add vanilla ice cream too. Now garnish the chocolate milkshake with some chocolate syrup. Now our chocolate milkshake is ready. Enjoy! And if you like my recipe, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye!